Hey guys, welcome back to the UT Source channel. Here we post videos about projects related to electronics. In most of our videos, we have used transistors to light up LEDs or power an amplifier. But what exactly is a transistor? Where to use them? How to use them? And what purpose does they fulfill in a circuit? Also, you can buy transistor along other discrete electronic component from our UT Source site. Link is in video description. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's talk about transistors. The first transistor was released in year 1950 and it can be treated as one of the most essential invention of 20th century as these transistors are like building blocks of any modern or pre-modern electronic era. A transistor is also known as BJT. The BJT is a current control device where the output of the base terminal or the emitter terminal is a function of the current in the base terminal. Fundamentally, the operation of a BJT transistor is determined by the current at the base terminal. This transistor consists of three terminals, namely the emitter, base, collector. Actually, a BJT is a silicon piece that includes three regions and two junctions. The two regions are named P and N junctions. There are two types of transistors, namely PNP and NPN, based on these three regions and two junctions. In PNP, the P stand for positive and the majority charge carry are the hole, where in the NPN transistor, the N stand for negative and the majority charge carried are the electrons. The working principle of BJT involves the use of voltage between two terminals such as base and emitter to regulate the flow of current through the collector terminal. By this, it is shown that the input current controls the flow of output current, so we can say that the transistor is a current controlling device. One example of the most commonly used transistor is this BC547, which is an NPN transistor used for switching applications. For turning on any load, we just need to supply voltage to this transistor base in this way. Now, there's also exist a beefed up version of generic transistor which are known as power transistors. The three-terminal device, which is designed specifically to control high current and voltage ratings and handle a large number of power level in a device of a circuit, is a power transistor. You can check out this video of ours about power transistor. Now this was all theory, but in practical way where we can use transistors. Because of transistor working, which is allowing the current from passing through two junctions by providing voltage and current to the base for forward biasing, it is mostly used as an electronic switch, which can be either in an on or off state for both high power applications such as SMPS and low power applications such as logic gate. Important parameters for this application include the current switched, the voltage handled, and the switching speed. Now let's talk about its other use, which is the common emitter amplifier. The common emitter amplifier is designed so that the small change in the voltage Vin changes the small current through the base of transistor, whose current amplification combined with the properties of a circuit means that the small swing in Vin produce large changes in Vout. The various configuration of this single transistor amplifier are possible, with some providing current gain, some voltage gain. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.